Hello everybody, and today I want to practice my pronunciation towards the sound th. For me, it is one of the most difficult sounds in English, and I always try to improve it. And today I have really 3 interesting tongue twisters that will help us to improve our pronunciation. So let's get started. Tongue twister number 1. 33,000 people think that Thursday is their 30th birthday. 33,000 people think that Thursday is their 13th birthday. 33,000 people think that Thursday is their 13th birthday. 33,000 people think that Thursday is their 13th birthday. Oh, not bad. I thought of thinking of thanking you. 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 33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thumper on Thursday. Oh, it's a difficult one. 33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thumper on Thursday. Oh, really? It's really complicated. 33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thumper on Thursday. Mr. Thumper. 33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thumper on Thursday. 33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thumper. Mr. Thumper on Thursday. One more time. 33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thumper on Thursday. Guys, if you have noticed any mistakes in my pronunciation, please let me know and write something in the comments below. I know that I'm not a great speaker in English, but I really always try to improve my pronunciation. Okay, let's try to practice more. 33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thumper on Thursday. I feel some kind of sore throat right now. It's really difficult to pronounce this tongue twister. 33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thumper on Thursday. Oh, not bad. Great. I feel that I am improving right now. 33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thumper on Thursday. Great. 33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thumper on Thursday. Great. 33 thirsty, thundering thoroughbreds thumped Mr. Thumper on Thursday. Okay, great, good job. And I feel that it's enough for today. Thank you guys for being with me. I hope you are not only listening and watching, I hope that you are practicing simultaneously with me. You can hear that my throat is really not very smoothly. I speak not very smoothly right now because I have been practicing for some time and I feel a little bit tired. Okay. I am done for today. See you. Bye-bye.